The Supreme Court has pronounced its verdict, and we are being told that the Travancore royals would have the shebait rights. Let's try and go across to our reporters to get you more details. Now, remember, this verdict is coming in after 9 long years of hearing the entire case. And in fact, in 2011, the Kerala High Court had ruled that the state government should take control of the temple from a trust which was headed by the royal family. Now that decision, of course, has been reversed after it was challenged in the Supreme Court in 2011. Let's go across to our senior editor Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who's joining us with more details. We also have Vivek Karandalam on the broadcast. Madhav, that's a big development. The Supreme Court has pronounced its verdict 9 years after hearing the case, and the shebait rights have gone to the Travancore royals.
Well, absolutely. Big development coming in there. In fact, the two-judge bench had delivered its judgment, and in fact, reading out just the operative part, they have upheld the royal family of Travancore's right as a shebait. That has been upheld by the Supreme Court. And they've also said at the same time, though, that there would be an administrative committee that will manage the temple affairs, while the district judge of Thiruvananthapuram will be the chairperson of the committee. So while there will be some kind of administrative control of the royal family, the fact is also that there would be the ability or the administration that would have some kind of a right over the entire proceedings, over the management of the temple. So it's a kind of a via media solution. It's not complete rights that have been given to the royal family. The administration too will have a role, and this too was a key request given the charges of gold that was allegedly misappropriated that have come up before the Supreme Court. So a big development coming in as far as the Padmanabhaswamy temple is concerned. Of course, various other aspects as far as opening of the vaults are concerned, what the status of the gold within the vaults it is, and what the court believes should be done as far as preserving the gold, because this is believed to be one of the richest temples in terms of the gold reserves that exist anywhere in the country, with various estimations including over 1 lakh crores of gold that are allegedly there in the temple vaults. So in that kind of a light, the operative portion of it giving the shebait rights to the royal family of Thiruvananthapuram, but at the same time saying that the administration through the district judge would in fact be the chairperson of that committee, and further details are awaited. So very, very important and very historic judgment that's coming in from the apex court as far as the Padmanabhaswamy temple is concerned. Swati.
Right. Let's also go across to our executive editor Vivek Narayan. That's a big crucial judgment coming in. Shebait rights of the family, the royal family, has been upheld, but the administration of the temple has been handed over to a committee.
Well, things have not exactly gone the way the Travancore royal family would have perhaps wanted. Yes, the shebait right, or the right to go and pray. The person who prays there at the temple remains with the Travancore royal kingdom right now. It was earlier it was Uttaram Tirunal. Now a new heir has emerged. So they have the right to pray and go there and lead the prayers also perhaps, but the more important part is the administration of the temple, which over 500 years has been with the Travancore royal family, seems to have gone. It will be headed by a panel which include the Thiruvananthapuram district judge, who will be the head of the panel, and there will be a committee which will be assisting him. The administration of the Padmanabhaswamy temple is given to a 5-member administrative committee headed by the district judge. The Travancore royal family has got the shebait, or the right to worship rights. Now, this is also important. Remember, the covenant between the government of India and what was then known as the Tirukochi government, when it was annexed or when it became a part of the Union of India, one key factor, the entire royal family said that we will merge with India, but we should have right to pray and we should have right to administer what is our family temple. And the Travancore royal family and the Padmanabhaswamy temple is a family temple of the Travancore royal. So they always claimed the right, and it was a covenant signed between Union of India and the government of Tirukochi, or the Travancore royal kingdom.
Absolutely. Now that the administration has been handed over to a committee, let me also bring in Vivek Karandalam. We are yet to get more clarity as far as the opening of the vaults is concerned.
Exactly. Now that is the most important part over here. Opening of the Vault B, which has been objected by the Travancore royal family all these years. They say that it cannot be opened due to various reasons. Now also what is also more important that the shebait rights being given to the the erstwhile royal family is a huge relief, at least for the royal family at this point of time. Now regarding the administration, administration is a major point of contention that the erstwhile royal family was been contending in the Supreme Court. They were saying that a sitting judge in the Kerala High Court should head the administrative panel. But the meantime, the state government was saying a member of the assembly and a committee headed by the MLAs of the Kerala Legislative Assembly should be the head of the panel. Now that the administration rights is being given to the district judge, it looks like it is an upper hand for the state government's contentions right now. Only after the judgment regarding the vault, especially the vault B, and also who is going to hold the rights of these the 2.2 lakh crore properties, especially the properties in these vaults. Now this is going to be very, very important because the Kerala High Court in 2011 has clearly said that the rights the rights of the temple, the administrative rights and the whole rights of the temple will go with the state government. And after that, it is the royal family which went to the Supreme Court. In between that, there was an amicus curiae that was been constituted, and also Vinod Rai has also looked into various audit reports and various other things. And now that the Supreme Court has now come up with the judgment that the shebait right will lie with the erstwhile royal family, but the administration right will go
and the committee would be headed by District Judge